my channel. So first of all, I want to thank y'all so much for 100 subscribers, y'all. Thank y'all so very much. So today I'm bringing y'all this Bratz inspired makeup tutorial look, Sasha edition, and I will put the picture up right here so you guys can see what it looks like. So you can tell she kind of has like a smoky eye type of look. She got a semi-cut crease. I tried to do a little something. If you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. I start off by priming my face with CoverGirl True Blend. Next, I go in with my Maybelline foundation in the color Cocoa. Blend, 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 ladies. Make sure you are blending. Highlighting with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. And I damp my beauty blender to blend as well. It just blends a lot better when you damp it. I'm also highlighting with my NYX Concealer Full Coverage in the color Tan Bronze. Going in with my HD Set and Forget powder, and I'm just setting the concealer. Okay, now I'm just going back in with my foundation just to contour a little bit and to bring some color back into my face. And please excuse my bra strap, y'all. I did not want to touch my shirt until I was done with my makeup, so I'm sorry about that. Now, I don't usually contour my nose, but for this specific makeup look, I wanted my nose to be more defined, so that's why I decided to contour. Priming my eyelids with my LA Girl Pro to get ready to apply my eyeshadow. Going in with a light gray color for my transition color. Next, I'm going in with a dark brownish color to kind of smoke this look out a little bit. And last but not least, I'm going in with a black. Okay, so I am not a pro at cut creases yet, so bear with me, y'all. I'm still practicing. So if it's not perfect, I apologize. And I'm just setting this concealer with my setting powder. And then I'm going back in with a light gray color. I applied my eyelashes off of camera. Yes, honey. Going in with the dark brown pencil just to outline my lips, preparing for my lipstick. And this is just a dark brown matte lipstick. Going over it with my clear lip gloss. Scratch that, y'all. I did not like how that look came out, so now I'm just going to go back over it with my dark brown pencil and just apply some clear lip gloss. Finishing up with my setting spray and we are done.